In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background music to Shopify 2020. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable way to play music on your storefront using a trusted app from the Shopify App Store. First, head to your Shopify admin in your web browser and sign in to your store. From the left-hand menu, go to the Apps section. Here, click the Add Apps button. This opens a prompt that takes you to the official Shopify App Store, which is where we'll find and install the music player you need. Once the App Store opens, use the search bar at the top. Start typing background music, and you'll see Shopify highlight matching suggestions as you type. Select the background music option in the suggestions or press Enter to view the search results page. From the results, look for the app named Easy Background Music, Musica. This app is designed specifically to play audio across your storefront with straightforward controls. Click into that listing to open the app's detail page and take a quick moment to scan the description, pricing, and reviews so you know what to expect. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify will show you a standard permissions screen so the app can connect to your store. Review the access it needs, then click Install again to confirm. Shopify will finish the setup and open the app inside your admin. Inside the app, you'll see a guided setup flow. Click the highlighted control or prompt to enable background music for your storefront. The app typically provides options for how the music starts, the default volume, and where it should play. Keep the volume gentle. Something in the 15 to 30% range is usually comfortable and keeps your product content front and center. When you've made your selections, click Save to apply the changes. Now open your storefront in a new browser tab to test. If your browser blocks autoplay, try interacting with the page. Scroll or click to allow playback. Many modern browsers, especially on mobile, require a small user action before audio can start. A few quick best practices as you fine-tune. Make sure you use music you have the rights to, whether it's royalty-free or properly licensed. Keep file sizes modest so your site stays fast. Consider enabling a visible play or pause control for accessibility and user choice. Test on desktop and mobile, across your home page and a couple of product pages, to confirm the experience is consistent and not disruptive. That's it. You've added background music to your Shopify store with a clean app-based setup.